Yeah, she did good. Yeah. Stuff like that. So I think, for your first time being here, I think you should try it, right? Right around, you should try it. It's fun, yeah. Everybody say it's fun, it's nice and shit. Try
you know what, bro? I'm 24 years old. One thing I know is my safety. And I know, bro, I can't, if I'm going to be here, bro, the worst ass decision to put myself through something safety, and especially being an influence to all these people that are watching, these kids and you, bro. I'ma do it. Get me on the mic. I got you, bro.
Deshae. Come on, bro.
My bad. Damn, this bitch heavy.
Come on. Deshae, come on, man.
Right.
You can't do shit right.
Okay. Bet.
That shit, bro, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay.
Ooh. How you doing? Open that door. You good? Yeah. That was helped. Oh. What are you saying?
No gas. There's no gas. No gas.
No gas, Jack?
You gotta talk to it, bro.
It's gas.
Yes. You gotta let me do it, bro.
This one is off.
Oh, we should go give you a TikTok, bro.
Huh?
We should do a TikTok. That's reminding me.
Yo, what the fuck is wrong with this shit, Jack?
Before these girls come, let's do it. Hey, can you record this TikTok?
Fuck my leg.
Let them figure it out.
Hey, you know what? No, I don't think that's fucking working.
You know how to work dirt bike?
Yeah, Jack.
Is it ready? You turn it on?
Oh, is this run?
Let's run, yeah.
Oh, that's why. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Let's go.
Is that on neutral?
Huh?
It says on neutral.
Oh, the key's off.
The clutch, turn the guy. shit.
See?
Oh shit. Stay right.
Fuck Deshae, fuck!
What? I know what I'm doing.
I said, nigga, leave it like this and
No,
then
you said let go slowly.
Hold this tight.
What this do? What is it?
Let go of that, it's gonna go flying.
Okay, what is it?
Listen. Now, let go lightly. Move like very little, not too far, too far. Like a little bit. Let go into that, let go. A little bit. Not too hard, too hard. Now, let go a little bit. Right, a little bit. And let go a little bit. Got it? Yeah. Now listen, rev it a little bit. That's good, Let's go. Now hold this. Let go,
Am I good? Am I good?
Let go. Let go right here. We'll rev it a little bit. Same time. Let go right here. Not far. Let go.
I'm talking like let go.
Let go right here.
I'm not gonna let go.
Okay, go.
I'm not going.
Let go.
Oh, nigga. I'm saying you're saying let go. What the fuck you want me to let go?
Oh my God.
What's wrong with you?
Deshae, wait, hold on.
Damn, bro, you told me let go. What the fuck am I supposed to let go?
Wait, hold on, bro. You had one.
But I'm saying you're saying let go. What the fuck I'ma let go?
The fucking clutch, okay? That's the fucking I'll let go, bro. The fucking clutch.
Like I don't know what the fucking clutch is? Bro. I don't know what the fuck they talking about, bro. That ass. Nigga talking about clutch this, clutch that. Clutch your ass up.
All you do is wanna fucking play!
How the fuck I wanna play? I don't know what I'm doing!
Shit! Now help me, bitch. Bitch heavy. Oh, shit. Oh, cause, hold on. Let me see. Watch out. What's your leg?
This not broken up.
Jay, I think the problem is we're starting too close. You feel me? I think we start all the way back here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I bet. Let's do it again.
Oh, wait, no. Fuck you mean, let's do it again. I need to fucking teach you. The mic, fuck.
It's not my fault.
You wanna go again or no?
Hell fucking yeah.
If I don't hurt, if I can't get hurt, it don't work. Now, bitch, this how you gotta do it. Let me explain, okay? Leave this open, leave this open. I don't want you to start. I want you to start from all the way back here. All right, so there's no excuse, okay? I want you to go like this. Look, this is gonna be the dirt bike. Yup. And come back. Okay. Come on, man.
You're right.
Let's see the chat spam some W's for one time, bro. It's always L's. Let's see the chat spam W for one time, all right? Chat, turn them up. Chat, turn them up. Let's go. Chat, no GGs. Everybody just turn them up one time, bro, all right? Hold on. Turn them up, bro. Let's go, bro. You got this. Why they sending barcode? What the fuck you do? Okay, rep. Yeah. Wait, chat, should we say IRL or desktop? You need better.
IRL. Me personally. But what they say?
I mean, it could be desktop.
Let's say IRL.
Fuck it.
All right. Go ahead, start it up. Damn. You might have broke this bitch, man.
Believe.
It's cooked.
If you just believe, you can do it.
It's cooked, bro. Was this running?
Yeah, that's right. Push it in.
This is off.
Put it in.
Oh, yeah. That's why.
Try to turn the key on and off.
It's cooked, bro.
It wasn't meant to be. It's all good though.
It was meant to be! Hold tight. You understand it now, right?
Yeah.
Do not let go fast.
Yeah.
Oh! Alright. So listen, let go slow.
I got it.
Are you moving? Oh! Oh! Let me turn! Oh! Stop it!
Nigga, I try to do the fucking wheelie, nigga. I try to do the circle and shit.
We trying to have a good meal up
Why
there,
you
brother.
up here? What are you doing?
Mama.
No, mama, nothing.
Mama.
No, now you're gonna have to pay for this. What are you
No,
doing?
Mama, I was just playing. This is my first time on a dirt bike.
Then why would you run it into his
Mama, I was just trying
PC?
to do the dirt bike. I promise you, I didn't mean nothing by it. I was just trying to do the dirt bike.
Why would you do
I never did
that?
on dirt bike before. I was trying to do it, Mom. I was trying to do it.
Why would you let him on that, Rakai?
I'm a,
Oh shit, weekend. It's over, bro.
Damn, Deshae.
what way?
Why would you let him do that?
Mom, listen. Rakai told me to do it.
No, I did not.
Rakai, did you not tell me to do it, Mama? Mama, did you not say to do it?
Who told him to do it? Who told
Rakai, did you not tell me to do it?
excuse me, I'm chilling. He kept saying, let me ride the dirt bike, let me ride the dirt bike. I'm
You
like,
let him ride it?
said,
So you
no.
told him to ride it?
I said, no, I don't want you to ride it because you're gonna crash. You're gonna say, shut the fuck up, bitch.
Mommy, I never.
Why would you say that?
I never
You're
said
15
that.
years old.
Mommy, I never said that. He told me to ride the dirt bike. It was my first time riding dirt bike. He like, oh, Deshae, you gotta ride the dirt bike. And then it failed the first time. He's like, you wanna do it again? And he talking about, if you don't get hurt, it didn't work. I'm like, bro, what the hell? Mommy, I promise you, Mom, I promise you, it's his fault.